Hello student, welcome to Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve a problem from the chapter progressions in exercise 6.2, 15th problem. So find the 20th term from the end of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. So student, very important problem it is. So 2-3 times it has been asked in examination. So very important. So student, there are two methods to solve this problem. So first see here method 1. How can we solve using method 1? So solution, first method. So see student, the given AP is, what is the given AP? The AP is, the given AP is, so what it is? 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. Suppose if he has to find the 20th term from the starting, it is very easy. A20 we write A20 is equal to A plus 19D. So but he is asking to find us the 20th term from the end. From here we have to find the 20th term. So for that, how can we find? See here, here the first term A is equal to 3 and the common difference D is equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5. Common difference D is equal to 5. Let this 253 is the which term? So let AN is equal to 253. AN is equal to 253. AN can be written as A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 253. Substitute A and D values and find the value of N. So now I am substituting A is equal to 3. So write 3, N minus 1 into D is equal to 5 is equal to 253. So from here take 3 to the right side. So 5 into N minus 1 is equal to 253 minus 3, that is 250. Therefore N minus 1 is equal to 250 divided by 5, so which is equal to 50, Therefore N is equal to 50 plus 1, that is 51. So there are 51 terms in the given AP. There are 51 terms in the given AP. So there are 51 terms. There are 51 terms in the given AP. So here 20th term from the end equal to 20th term from the end is equal to total terms minus 20 plus 1. So that is 51 minus 20 is 31 plus 1, that is 32nd term from the first. 32nd term from the first. So if we find the 32nd term from the first, it will be 20th term from the last. So that is the last. So we have to find 32nd term. So that is A32 is equal to A plus 31D. That is A value is how much, student? A value is 3 plus 31 into D value is how much? D value is 5. So write 5. So here 3 plus, it is 155. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes, it is 158. Therefore 20th term from the end is 158. It is the first method. So there is one more method, student. See here, how can we find method 2? So second method. So see here, the given AP is, what is the given AP? 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. Okay. So from the last we have to find the value of, from the last we have to find the 20th term. For that we have to write 253 dash 13 8 3. Just we have to write reverse just we have to write the series in reverse. Now here 253, this becomes A is equal to 253, we have D is equal to 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8, that is minus 5, D is equal to minus 5. So here after writing the series reverse, we have to find the 20th term directly. So 20th term is equal to 20th term, A20 is equal to, how can we write? A plus 19D. A20 is equal to A plus 19D. A value is 253 here, plus 19 into D value is minus 5. D value is minus 5. Just substitute. So 253. So 19 5s are how much? 95 minus. So how much here? So just 253. A value is 19 5s are. So how much? Minus 95. So 253 minus 95. How much we can get here? 158 again. 158. Just see here. So it is a first method we got 158, in the second method also we got 158. So this is very easy, simply in 4-5 steps we got the answer. So in both the ways you can solve the problem, but it is very important, student, you have to remember. So that's all today's class, student. We will meet in the next class with another problem. If you are watching first time my video, subscribe my channel, Learn More Maths by Varun Kumar to get latest updates.